Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal energy check-in for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of April 2026. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Leo, overall energy for Leo people for the month of April 2026. Let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Swords, the World card, and the Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Judgment card. You guys are finally able to release something or someone out of your system for good, and you guys are feeling the relief and the aha moment of okay, finally it's over, finally it's done, and moving to the next chapter, next cycle of my life. It's like an internal peace, internal energy of feeling good about releasing something or someone out of your life, out of your system. When it comes to the conscious level, there is some kind of deceptive energies. There was something in your life that was continuously keeping you in some kind of loop, and this was something deceptive. This was something that you knew that uh, I'm not able to express this in words, but there was something around the situation that was always keeping you hooked in some way, shape, or form to that situation. And then something came out, and you guys were able to block that chapter, close that chapter for good. And now you guys are having this energy of starting a brand new chapter with this brand new clarity and understanding of how you should move forward in your life, right? So this is a brand new chapter, brand new life, brand new opportunity, brand new month, because you guys are ending a deceptive, manipulative, very painful cycle of your life. Okay. I don't know how to explain this in words. This is what I'm getting. I hope you guys are getting it. Seven of Swords here represents something that you knew was not good for you, was not honest with you, were not honest with you. Maybe a group of people or a person or a situation was not working out in your favor, but you were not able to understand why. And then finally you got all of your answers. Now you have the clarity and understanding of what this situation represents to you in your life. Now you're ready to take the next step towards a brand new life, a brand new chapter, a brand new opportunity. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what was happening in the recent past, Leo. Devil, okay. See, you were attached to something or someone very unhealthy, very toxic, very obsessive, very possessive. This was something, maybe this was a person or this was a situation that you were continuously attached to in some way, shape, or form, and then you realize that it is not good, it is not healthy for you to be connected to this energy, right? To keep yourself connected to this energy. Let's see in the current situation what we have. Justice. Now you're doing the right thing. Now you're being in this energy of okay, I should do the justice with myself. Until unless I'm going to take the charge of my life in my own hands, no one else is going to help me. So you guys are doing the justice with yourself right now by choosing the right direction, right situation here. By the end of this month, let's see what we have. The Hierophant. By the end of this month, you guys are connecting with a mentor, a guru, a spiritual person, or you guys are starting to walk on the spiritual path, or okay, questioning your belief system. For some of you, there is something to related to your religious thing, spiritual thing, or connecting with a mentor or guru or spiritual person that you guys are going to be working on by the end of this month. These are three major arcana cards. It is going to be a life changing month for you guys. Let's clarify the devil in the recent past for you guys. Leo. Okay, I have to reshuffle. Let's see. Let's clarify the devil here. We have the Seven of Wands, the King of Swords, and the Two of Cups. You guys were trying to protect yourself from a situation. You guys were trying to be in this energy of not to get involved in a situation, but your heart was continuously keeping you stuck on something or someone, even if things were not good. My goodness, I am not able to explain this, Leo. For the first time in 6 7 years, I'm feeling so disconnected from this reading today. So it's like you were giving yourself excuses to stay in a situation where you know you should not have stayed there. No matter like from which angle you guys were trying to give yourself the excuse to stick around to that situation. And at the same time, you were trying to protect yourself from getting hurt or getting used or abused. This is so tricky. Okay, in the current situation, we have the justice. Let's clarify the justice here. Why are you giving me this much hard time, my love? Ooh, cuckoo bird. We have the death in reverse, the moon in reverse, and the judgment in reverse. Okay, the cards were in reverse. So, okay. I'm sorry, I was holding the cards upside down. So, let's move them. Leo, don't you guys want the reading today? This is the first time I'm feeling so disconnected and a little bit of strange vibes. Anyways, now you guys are not scared of anyone or anything. Now you guys are not in any kind of mysterious or silent or those kind of energies where you're not able to understand what you should do and what you should not do. Now you're choosing to do the right thing, even if you are scared, even if you are never going to get what you want, even if it means that you have to let go of something or someone permanently out of your life, out of your system. So, Leo, you guys are choosing to release something or someone out of your system, out of your life for good permanently. And you guys are choosing to do the right thing, even if you're not able to understand what you should do or what you should not do. But you are being guided to do the right thing here, to choose the right path here. Okay, I'm doing this reading and I'm never doing Leo again. Let's clarify the Hierophant by the end of this month, April 2026. We have the Lovers, the Queen of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. You guys will be making this conscious decision or choice of cutting the crap out of your life. It can be in the form of people, it can be in the form of situations or patterns or trauma or something. Now you guys are trying your best to bring the balance in your life somehow, and the balance is coming out of, again, a mentor, guru, spiritual person, heading towards spirituality more and more, and letting go of the people and expectations that you are having from other people. So connecting with your spiritual side is going to be a way for you to find the balance within yourself, to find the purpose of your life, you can say. Now you guys are heading towards purpose of your life, right? That you might be missing in the past. So it was like on and off, in and out. I am out of this, I'm not out of this. You were stuck on something or someone. Maybe you were stuck on a belief system that was rotten, and you knew that this is not a good thing, but you were connected to that because you felt your heart is so connected, you can't let it go. But then you realized it's so toxic, it's so unhealthy, that you should be saying goodbye to that belief system or whatever it was. Just an example, maybe. Now you're choosing to do the right thing, even if it is hurting you. By the end of this month, you guys are trying to find out the balance, trying to find out the happiness within yourself with the help of a mentor, guru, healer, a friend, maybe a spiritual person, a spiritual friend. And or now finally you guys will be able to understand someone's point of view, the way you should, because you were not able to do that before. You guys are tapping into your spiritual side, whatever you call it now. With the help, there is help around you, or you are seeking for help around a situation. where you need balance in your life, where you need peace in your life and answers in your life related to your spirituality or belief system or slash religious energies. My God, Leo, just I'm really sorry. I don't think so. This is the kind of reading that you were expecting from me, but this is the first time that this has happened, that I'm super disconnected and not able to explain. But sometimes it's like that only. So okay, let it be. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Leo. Even if I'm not able to make sense of this reading, I hope you guys are. And if you guys are also not able to make sense of the reading, then I can't say anything. Just leave it behind, honey. The guidance here is the Ace of Wands, the Empress, and the Page of Wands. You know, your intuition is going to guide you towards growth and expansion, towards massive growth and expansion. Listen to your intuition. Leo people are very, very intuitive already. Don't stop listening to your intuition, and don't stop loving your life like a kid. You have to be like a kid. You have to start living your life like a kid, energetic, excited, and being okay with not knowing everything before you are going to proceed and go in a particular direction of your life. So you are tapping into your spiritual side, and you are going to have a lots of questions, like lots of confusions, lots of ifs and buts and this and that on your way. It doesn't mean that you're on the wrong path, or you are not doing the right thing, or you are not choosing the right direction. It simply means that you have to make peace with not knowing. It's like almost this piece of advice is almost similar to Cancer. Okay, and keep moving forward with excitement, with happiness, with childlike innocent energies, and you will be able to understand it as you go, right? You don't have to understand each and everything beforehand, and then you start moving forward. It's like start moving forward, and you will get to know the answers of each and everything that you are wanting to get the answers for, slowly but surely, as you are going, right? As you're moving forward. Let's see the final message here, Leo. The Magician, you can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginning. See, whatever you're trying to manifest, like growth and expansion and happiness, it will start coming to you if you are going to listen to your intuition, and if you are going to keep your energies open and excited and, beautiful like a child. Okay, so successful beginnings are on the way for you guys. Cool. That's what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.